Hi, good morning. This is Wag Chicago. This is early for a video, but wait, today's the 27th of April and the year's 21. So I just take a quick look at like I do. I watch these maps all the time, flight radars. And lately it's because of the action all in the Middle East and Russia and etc. And I watch a lot of the drones and they put them up like this one here. Not saying this is a drone, but no ID, no ID. Oh, and by the way, it's technically blocked, so it's even higher, whoever that is. You know what I mean? So you see it here in the center. I'll zoom in. So it just came in from the south side, goes out over the lake. This is Chicago. Makes a loop around. But look at the. This is why I would normally not even care, but this thing's low. It's flying at 3,900 feet. So you would, if you looked at this and you would, oh, it's probably a jet, whatever. They do that, they block for whatever reasons. It's not unusual. But he's flying really low, and then I'll back up here. It came down. If you look, let me back it up. There's some helicopters here. Hang on. Oh, interesting. Oh my. Not available. No radio. No tail. Oh no. Oh, what do we got going on here? Well, I was going to show you that drone is what I think it is, in my opinion. Came, what is going on over here? It came down from Minnesota, is where it took off from. What's this? It might be they're flying together. It looks like. Hang on. Yeah. The 911 almost looks like 911. The registration. Really? And they sure look like they're flying right next to each other. Let's take a look. This is weird, man. What is going on lately? And who knows what all these other little ones are doing. Let's get back to this drone thing. We got this guy. I'm going to turn this one off. Yeah, this is getting creepy, man. What's this guy doing? He's got a weird tail number. See? Whenever they start with the letter C in their ID, it's a good chance it's going to have no registration tail or tail number. Yeah. Something's going on near Chicago. Oh my. Well, I didn't expect this video to go to this level. I just wanted to see where this guy was coming from, whoever that drone looking thing was. MD helicopters. Yeah, I'm sure they are. Oh boy, something's going on, people. What are they always looking for? Oh, there's another blocked one. Uh-oh. Yep, 26,000 feet. Now he's up higher. Hang on. What is going on? Like, there's some creepy stuff going on above our heads. Another one. Oh man, come on. This is like the other night. No tail, no radio. Oh gee, you guys have got to look over your own cities. Something's going on. Oh boy. Let me close some of these out, otherwise you can't see the screen here. So here, I wasn't even looking for this. There's another one down here. Hang on. Peoria. Yeah, this is looking like the other night. And there's another one of these unmarked planes right here. Really? See? And helicopters nearby. Really? Yeah. No, oh my God, this is creepy. This is like every metro area. He's got these hovering over him for days now. I did the first video Saturday. I did another one Sunday. I didn't even publish. Now I'm going to publish it. I just figured maybe it was this. Oh my, this is getting very creepy. And here, go south of there. Look, another block plane. What the hell's going on? He's at 32,000 feet. I got to clear some of these off. Hang on. Oh, there's something weird going on here. That's down by Springfield, Illinois. Every metro area's got these. What is going on? Yeah, that's one of them dark arts ones right there. It could be a hospital. It says it is, but they use those names sometimes. Here's another one. I guarantee you this is going to be one. Watch. Yep. Oh, oh, this is creepy, guys. Now I'm going to have something else to do today. This is too early in the morning for this. Usually they're doing this at night. Now they're doing it in the daytime. What is going on? I don't get this. I can see a bunch up by Minneapolis. Look at this. Look at how many are up there. Look. Yeah. They're all over the screen. 1, 2. There's another one with a plane again. They're flying with planes together. Oh, this is creepy. Here's one of those planes. Another helicopter. This is really, really weird. Another one down there. There's one of those planes. Like, oh my. Well, they're either doing tons and tons and tons of training or they're looking for something. In every city, it's like, this is just getting really weird. Look, there's helicopters over here. Like, this is like that Saturday night. Now they're doing it in the daytime too. Again, Lansing, wherever this is. They're over every area. Any area that's got like a town, a big city under it. Or big, you know what I mean? This is weird. All right. I don't know what else to say. Here, over here. Colorado's even got here. Look at this. Here we go again. Denver, in the woods, whatever this forest is. An area, DC 2000. What is this? It's a Cessna, but private owner. That's just a weird ID number. Yeah, this is weird. What's that? Looks like a what? Huh? Weird looking plane. Anyways, what's this? 166. Huh? U.S. Army. There we go. At least they got their name on it. Yeah, so the Army's flying over Colorado. Anyways, it's too early for this. This is like my brain's already rolling. It's Wag Chicago. I'll be back.